In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Hostinger's platform to set up your gaming server. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to get your server up and running smoothly. Let's dive in and start the process. First, open your web browser and go to the Hostinger homepage. If you're unfamiliar with Hostinger, it's a web hosting provider that offers a variety of services, including hosting for gaming servers. On the home page, you'll find a user-friendly interface that allows you to access a range of tools and services. From here, look for the option labeled Home in the navigation bar and give that a click. This will take you directly to the Hostinger dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see various options available. We're specifically interested in the VPS section tailored specifically for gaming enthusiasts. So find the VPS tab and click on Game Panel. This game panel is specifically designed to help gamers like you manage and configure a VPS for hosting your favorite games. With the game panel, you have the power to customize your server according to the specific needs of your game, ensuring optimal performance and a seamless gaming experience. After clicking on the game panel, look for an option labeled Get Now. Clicking on this will initiate the setup process of your game server. It's designed to be an easy and intuitive process, even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. You will see that Hostinger provides a clear path to follow, ensuring that every step is straightforward. This is a great moment to ensure you have chosen the correct configuration for your gaming needs. Hostinger offers various plans, so make sure to review them according to what you're planning to host. The next step involves clicking on the Next button. This might sound simple, but it transitions you to the next stage of your server setup journey. Here, it's worthwhile to consider any specific requirements you might have, such as RAM and storage, because these will influence the performance of your server. Hostinger provides helpful information and tips at each step, so take advantage of these resources. Remember, taking your time now to ensure everything is set up correctly can save a lot of hassle later. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're on your way to setting up a game server with Hostinger. Whether you're hosting for fun or competitive gaming, Hostinger's features allow you to tailor the server to your exact specifications. Enjoy your new gaming setup, and feel free to explore other Hostinger tools and services to further enhance your online experience. Thanks for following along, and happy gaming!